Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from Homeschool Hangout.xyz, and I am back from the Christmas break. I finally am back. And to kick off the new year, I'm doing a product unboxing. I got sent a bunch of, I think they're just books, a bunch of books, and I thought that we would have a really low-key chitty chat kind of video. If you like these kind of chilled out videos, do me a favor. Thumbs up, like, buy me coffee, join my Facebook group, all the things. If you want to send me a book or product or a gift or whatever, but a book or product to try out, I have a new address and it is down in the gobbledygook. And let's get into it. So some of these I've cut open, but most of them I haven't. So we had a really nice Christmas. My eldest son is moved back from Texas, so he is staying with us right now while he finds a job. We will see if I can get this box open. And so that was nice. I hadn't seen him in a while. And when I say a while, I mean like a couple years. So that was really nice to see him. We have a really chill holiday. Confession, I'm filming this last week. At the end of the week, we still have a family Christmas for my husband's side this weekend. We always do something after Christmas around New Year. So not all of these are homeschool books. Some of these are other things like this one. This is the Gilded Age Cookbook, Recipes and Stories from America's Golden Era by Becky Laboral Diamond. So I love a cookbook. I think cookbooks, frankly, are a great way to teach culture and history and all the things. So like there's an entire section of on ladies' luncheons and club luncheons, which is a whole thing. You have to go to luncheon. Gorgeous pictures in this. A standing luncheon. It's a less formal evening reception. They're similar to what we think of today as an open house. Well, I did one of those for Christmas. They include both men and women and were often given during the busy social season preceding more formal balls or dinners held in the evening. So this is something, especially if you've got slightly older children, would be a great American history kind of tool, or just fun. Teach them how to cook. It's pretty. So got that one. Let's see what else we got. So these are open, and I cannot remember if I've unboxed them. So if I have, I apologize if you've seen this already. But I clearly hadn't gotten around to reading them yet. So, Little Dreams, Little Paw by Bruce Durking, illustrated by Penny Weber, and it is a board book. Did you like board books? I loved board books with my kid, with all of them, and they love them. Sandra Boynton was a big one for us. Dr. Seuss. I have a collection of the science and math-based board books that we love. And we tend to give as baby shower gifts. Okay, this is The Giving Gal and the Christmas Cookie Extravaganza by Stephanie L. Jones. Inside, Find the Hearts. So, you see I have a ring light in case you didn't know. Really pretty. I love Christmas books a lot. A lot. Very beautiful. I am thinking about starting a monthly quick book review video. So if you'd like to see that, do me a favor, let me know. My problem is I just don't know if anybody wants to see it. I don't know if anybody wants to see this. So, Little Imperfections, A Tale of Growing Up Different by Pete Montzingo and Rockwell Sands. He's a very tall man, or boy. Okay, let's see. If you're big or little, or people look at you strange, the truth is being different is something to treasure. We're all different and in this together. So yes, let's see some of the inside. Gorgeous. Excuse me, illustrations. So, okay, next up. Let's see if this one has been cut open at all. Awesome. Oh, nice. Another cookbook. Like I said, I like cookbooks. This is the International Cookbook, A Healthy and Playful Global Recipe Collection by Nancy Mabangia. Explore the world without leaving your kitchen. Mulgatani soup from India, poutine from Canada, bimbap from South Korea. I like bimbap. Vegetable tagine, licky sticky pudding from England, baked bananas from Nigeria. So yeah, there's 90 recipes from over 40 countries. So that is my note for me. Let's see. Oh, Anzac biscuits. Okay, so it looks like they're separated by country. These were made by Australian and New Zealand soldiers, and they're still a moderately popular historical cookie. And it's got whole wheat flour, sugar, rolled oats, coconuts, butter, maple syrup, baking soda, and hot water. That's it. They can be very simple to make. And so I've always wanted to do that. We went to a New Zealand bakery up in Windsor. And we have friends who are from New Zealand. So there's been some of that. I had a raspberry chocolate lamington that was so good. Which is a cake. Okay. I do find it funny. Big box, little book. Okay. Tennyson's Big Secret by A.H. Benjamin, illustrated by Peter Tremarco. I like Peter Tremarco's illustrations. Tennyson is a little boy with a very big and magical secret. Can you guess what it is? So yeah, there are your illustrations. I will give it a check. What kind of books are you interested in me reviewing and giving lists for? Do you want little kid picture books? Do you want novels? Let me know. I got 2 of these. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, sometimes that happens where they send you 2. It's okay. Thought about starting a local Fresno area meetup every so often and maybe even giving away some books there. My biggest problem is just shipping them everywhere. Okay. But would you, if you're in the Fresno, Madera, Visalia kind of area, would you be interested in a get-together every, once a quarter or even once a month? Let me know. Okay, so this is The Human Body, an Alien's Guide by, let's see, Ruth Redford and Leandro Cunha. So this is another one of the Mayo Clinic Press books. I love these books. They are so great. Your illustrations are gorgeous. Some have illustrations, some have photography. And this is written like a comic book. Cannot wait to check this out. I will definitely let you guys know what I think. Next, I'm assuming this is also from them. Yes, it is. And it's called The Perfect One by Sue Lancaster, Rocio Caputo, and Diego Weisberg. It's Cammie and Issa are very different sisters. Cammie always wants to be perfect. She worries about it every single day. She follows all the rules, does all her homework on time, and never makes a fuss. Issa, on the other hand, is confident everything she does is perfect. Even when it's the most definitely not. Her drawing on the wall, perfect. Her bowling ball bouncing into the other lane, perfecter. So it's 2 sisters and their own challenges on the first day of basketball camp. There's a lot they can teach each other. So cute. I think I actually know, I know people with names very similar to that. So cute. So that'll be fun. So yeah, let me know what kind of books you want to be getting more feedback on. I don't want to bore you guys. And every once in a while I get some stinkers. So I don't talk about those too much because I don't recommend them. Usually they're good. I love all books. True confession, in my household we tend to only buy books after we've read them and fall in love with them, unless they're gifts. So this is Sorgo Squad, Chapter 3, The Milo Mystery. Story by Nate Bloom and art by Jordan Scribner. Part of it, though, too, is I get a lot of books to review. So this is great. It is kind of it's a comic book, but it's a big one. And let's see. Memo regarding the function of Sorghum United. Our organization consists of hundreds of stakeholders. Let's see. Okay. Sorghum Squad is a fun and educational way to share the story of sorghum and millets. So, those are grains. And how they can be part of the solution to some of the gravest challenges facing our planet and people. So, how would you describe the Sorghum Squad books? This is the common questions form they gave me. I describe this series as Captain Planet meets Indiana Jones. The books are an adventure, both a greater mission driving the action. Okay. Why are sorghum and millets important? They're among the first grains cultivated by mankind. So, okay. So it's an industry. It looks like it's almost an industry-produced book. So if it was from around here, it might be raisins or almonds or olive oil. We grow a lot of things in Fresno. We feed the world, yo. Okay. A Celebration of Differences. My Extraordinary Face. Written by Samar Mardini and Marissa. I'm so sorry for mispronunciations. Sukieta. They're both doctors, and this is another Mayo Press book. And it's a groundbreaking picture book that celebrates what makes us unique. So, we all know that if you have differences sometimes in school, sometimes not in school, just around other people, you can feel self-conscious about it. And so, but that's okay. It's what makes you unique. That is something, especially like teeth and stuff around here. We don't understand why every kid has to wear braces. Sometimes you need them. Sometimes it's cosmetic, but not because of anything real. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. My kids had palate extenders because their teeth were growing in crooked. But my kids kind of all decided afterwards, it's like, do you want to consider getting braces? And they're like, no, not really. I have one who's going to do it as an adult. You know? Okay. Dirty Girl. Ditch the Toxins, Look Great, and Feel Freaking Amazing. By Wendy Trudeau and Ed Levitan, MD. So this is not a kid's book. This is more of a joint pain, chronic fatigue and hair loss, eczema, and plain old smelly gas. At first you're blamed on getting older, even though you're in your 20s. So this is a getting rid of toxins and health book. So if you like these kinds of books to be reviewed over here, even though they're not exactly homeschooling, let me know. I can also review them on my other channel, if you're interested. And last but not least is The Adventures of Ty by C.T.A. Richards. Let's see. So, join Ty on his new adventures when he becomes the new hero of light, making lifelong friends along the way. Forming the formidable Team Light, they fight battles under a stoic leadership to save cities from Zealof's destructive force. So it's a novel. So I'll be honest, I hand these off to my 16-year-old to read them often and give me a review of them. If you would like to hear more about this or any of the books, do me a favor. Tell me which ones. They will become a priority, and I will try to include them in this month's monthly roundup. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.